If you want to make cute repeating patterns like this on Procreate, then I suggest you watch this video. Okay, so first, this is honestly really easy to make. So what you're gonna do is open up a blank canvas. I'm gonna be using a bookmark size because I make bookmarks. And you're gonna make sure that your DPI is a good setting. So right now mine is at 300. I suggest that you stay at 300 because it's the best quality, honestly, that you can get. Making repeating patterns on Procreate is fairly easy, so let's get right into it. So for this design, I'm just gonna do something quick and simple just to show you guys how it processes. So I'm gonna go in with drawing hearts because that is the easiest thing we can do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw out your design and you are going to move it around on the canvas to where you would like it. So let's do that. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna draw something else so that it looks more full. Once again, I'm just doing this really quickly just to show you guys how to actually make the design. It's honestly the easiest thing to keep duplicating your product and moving it around rather than keep going in and drawing your designs. This just saves you so much time. So here is the design after everything is drawn into the places that I want it to be. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a new layer and you're going to put it on the bottom of all the other designs. And this layer is going to be the background layer. I'm going to keep it white and I'm just going to drag it over. It looks like it did nothing, but over here it's white. And then we're just going to merge all of these layers together. Sometimes it's tricky. So there you go. After you merge the layers, you're going to duplicate it. You're going to click the arrow over here and you're going to turn on snapping and magnetics. So what you're going to do with this layer is you're going to move it to the left and the right, and snapping will make sure that it is in the right spot. It just literally snaps into place. Then you're going to merge these layers again, duplicate it one more time, and you're going to move this one up. And the second one, you're going to move down. And once again, it's going to snap right into place. Then you're going to duplicate your layer 3 times so that you have 4 of them. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these corners and you're going to move them up just like this. It doesn't matter what order you go in, so you can choose any one you want and go in any order. It doesn't really care. And there, it snaps right into place. And there you go. You have a repeating pattern design. As I said, it was so easy to make. So let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to explain anything more. And let me know if you want to learn some other things with your small business as well. Bye.